In a sunlit backyard, a curious corgi tries to herd a family of ducks, while the ducks calmly ignore the command. A tiny fox kid trots off with a bright scarf, turning a quiet moment into a goofy game show. Deep in a leafy stream, a pair of ohas juggle pebbles and splash in rhythmic, comical applause. High in the branches, a chatty parrot mimics camera shutters, posing as the tiny audience demands encore bites. The episode ends with a sleepy bear cub yawning and inviting viewers to replay for one more adorable moment.